I think we always learn better by doing.
My name is Carla Torres. I'm a junior at NSU University School. I'm in the Law Fellowship program.
We have a philosophy at University School. We think students learn best when they learn through experiences. We want students to have experiences at the university, in their community, and in their classrooms.
University School is part of NSU, which gives it a really big advantage because we are able to meet in the law school, and that gives us the experience of what it would be like to go to law school in the future.
I think the benefits of experiential learning are great. We show our students to learn by doing rather than learn by listening. And we find that that's a much more effective way to learn.
In one of my experiential learning sessions, we meet with our mentors and we talk about their experiences and how they can help us with our briefs and our oral arguments.
The university school students really appreciate the one-on-one contact that they're getting with the law students. Each student is assigned one mentor and they help them write the brief, they answer the questions.
You stand in front of your mirror, you can get that stuff down.
They're going to be their coach.
Let's go.
Throughout this experience.
Right, it's these private servers.
I am practicing my writing skills through learning how to write law briefs and developing oral argument skills.
What is it capturing?
It can't capture the contents of the communication. It would only capture like the websites, but not the contents of the website. I do think the fellowship has changed me. It has opened me up to the law field. It has shown me what it is really like to be a lawyer.
And then Carla, you were awesome. You knew it. I felt like you really knew this stuff.
I think the experiential learning program at University School is a unique opportunity for students to get real-world insight into their future careers.
Getting up and doing it yourself is the way you're always going to remember it best.